So let's begin by thinking about what it means to be a straight line between 2 points just on the flat plane. Right? So we want to talk a little bit about geometry, so let's just start with what we know best, which is just flat space. Okay, so suppose we have 2 points, okay, so indicated by 2 pennies here, and we want to say, okay, what does it mean to have a straight line between these 2 points on this flat surface? Right? So, well, we all know intuitively what that means. So what that means is, so if I'm going to model a line by this piece of string, then we probably are not going to say that this is a straight line between those 2 points. Okay, so why is that? So that's because it's kind of curvy, right? Like there's a little loop here, and it takes an awful long time to get from point A to point B. So that's probably not straight. So something that we talk about just in day-to-day life when we talk about trying to get straight from point A to point B is, we'll say, as the crow flies, it's a certain amount of distance, right? So what does that mean? That means that if there weren't any obstacles in the middle, so if there weren't mountains or forests or trees or houses in the way, then we would literally just walk straight from here to there, and we wouldn't take any detours like this, right? So one way to talk about what it means to be straight is to exactly say that the distance should be, that we traverse, should be the smallest amount of distance possible. So instead of taking a detour like this, if there's a straight road, then we just go straight like this. And that's the shortest distance that we could possibly take to get from point A to point B. So that's what we could mean when we say that we have a straight line between those 2 points.